Hello, my beautiful people, from wherever you're watching me from. Greetings from the Netherlands. Today we're gonna be doing some cooking. I'm gonna be cooking egusi soup without frying the egusi. So now let me introduce my ingredients for this recipe. I'm going to be using grounded dry egusi. I'm going to be using palm oil for this recipe. And I'm going to be using bitter leaf, dry bitter leaf. I'm going to be using some meat, cow skin, cow tail, and some shaki. Everything is washed and clean. That's the skin of the cow, momo we call it. And I'm adding some chicken, little bit of chicken to it. And that's, I'm going to be blending some tomato and some onion and hot pepper. I'm going to be adding smoked mackerel fish and some stockfish already washed. Some dry pepper. You can see all my cookings, I always make it spicy. That is crayfish, some salt to taste, and some curry powder, ginger and garlic all sliced to cook the meat. And I'm going to be adding some thyme as well. Some sliced onions also to cook the meat. So now let's start cooking. First of all, we're going to cook the meat. Everything is washed. Add the onion. Add the sliced ginger, garlic, and curry powder. And I'm going to add some thyme. And some salt. Egusi is not difficult to prepare. If you know it, it's very easy to cook. So I'm going to add one stock cube, chicken stock cube. I always like using chicken stock cube. Then I'm going to stir and just cook it for at least 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, because the meat is still going to be in the pot after boiling it. Close the lid. So now it's 15 minutes. You can see my meat is doing really good. See, now I didn't add water to it when I was cooking. You see, magic. Now I add the skin to it, the cow skin. That's the momo. Everything we cook together. So it's busy cooking. As it's cooking, then I'm blending my tomato. So it's completely blended, so I add it to it. I'm gonna stir it together. And I'm gonna add palm oil. Cold here in Holland, so the palm oil is I added hot pepper and some crayfish. Add salt, and I already added another chicken stock cube to it, so I just cook everything together. See my soup? It's looking good already. Now I'm gonna add the crayfish. Don't forget, I told you in the beginning, I am not frying this egusi. If you want to know how to prepare fried egusi, I already have that video in my YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel and watch it. Angela's Easy Cooking. See, it's looking good already. But I'm going to let it cook for 15 minutes, but you have to keep stirring. Depends on your pot and the heat. You have to keep stirring because like this, it can burn easily. See my egusi? Looks good already. And it's cooking very good. Don't forget, depends on your pot that you are cooking with. You have to keep stirring. With this my pot, it never burns. It don't burn. Even if it stays 1 hour without me stirring, it won't burn. But with some pots, to just be burning under. I also have that pot, so I prefer cooking with this pot, egusi especially. See, everything is in it except the bitter leaf. So now I'm adding the bitter leaf to it. So I'm going to stir together and let it cook. The bitter leaf is still a bit hard because it's dry bitter leaf. My mother dried it from Nigeria. Washed it also. Very nice. See my egusi? Egusi soup is almost ready. So now I'm adding beef stock to my egusi soup. If you don't have enough, you can add water. If you don't have beef stock or chicken stock, you can add water to it. See, my egusi is ready. I like my soup always thick. I don't like it watery. If you like it a little bit watery, you can add water to it. See? That is my egusi pot of soup. When you see the oil on top, that means your egusi soup is ready. Now let's do some tasting. It's yummy. It's very nice, very tasty. Very tasty soup. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Help me build my page. Help me build my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. And if you've already subscribed, God bless you. Thank you for subscribing. And don't forget to press the notification bell when you subscribe so that you will be the first one to see my video when I upload any new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Thank you. Bye. Love you all.